Check out the Jabra Evolve 75. It is not that they are better, but rather that they let you unwind from unwanted background noise. At work, I use a headphone to allow me to concentrate better. To get rid of the unwanted noise of people gossiping, laughing, talking on phone and buzzing, Jabra has the solution for you. Wireless headsets from Jabra are used by mobile users and by call centers and offices alike. We have the Jabra Evolve 75 wireless headphones with active noise cancellation. It gets tricky to choose the best headset if you work in an open office. In order for a headset to offer you noise cancellation, you must check the sound quality, the microphone clarity, and the microphone sensitivity. Jabra Evolve provides distraction-free performance in open offices. You can use it for calls and meetings at work. The design is simple and straightforward, making it perfect for enterprise needs. When you touch it for the first time, you can feel its premium quality. Hinges and screws are hidden, and it looks nothing like an industrial design. A thin aluminum plate and good quality plastic are used to make the head strap lightweight and comfortable. It is covered with a silicone kind of material at the top and plastic at the sides. The headset can be adjusted for different head sizes with its pull-out mechanism. Soft faux leather surrounds the on-ear cups, which sweat on hot days. This is very basic and should be mentioned and not ignored despite how obvious it is. Just make sure the microphone is in the right cup. Boom arm microphones can be lowered as you need them. In-ear cups are buttons, switches, and LEDs. It has a microphone on/off button, volume keys, power/Bluetooth switch, ANC and DND buttons on the left cup. It's a good option if you want to keep it on your desk. They are not the best sounding headphones in their price range. If you want a hardcore music listening experience, it is still not the most amazing. These headphones will not provide you with that. Bass complements the vocals with same clarity and balance. Mids are sometimes overshadowed by treble and bass. Noise cancellation comes into play and the voice sounds crystal clear. It stays light on the head, and the microphone works well. With active noise cancellation, nothing behind you will even be audible. By selecting the ANC button on the left ear cup, you can easily check your surroundings. These headphones let you connect two devices, a rare feature. Using Bluetooth, you can reach 100 feet from your laptop and 33 feet from your smartphone. With headphones that are this expensive, battery life is a major concern. Additionally, if you use the charging stand, it'll take just over 2 hours to fully charge. Jabra Evolve 75 has good call quality and noise cancelling. It's comfortable, simple and efficient. All the features you need with impressive battery life.